Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be filming my dorm room tour. It is the middle of November and I've managed to put this off for several months now, but we're going to film one today because I was packing because I'm leaving to go back to San Diego for Thanksgiving break. And my room is really clean, so I thought I would just film my dorm tour today. Today's video is also sponsored by Care Of. They are a personalized daily vitamin and supplement package delivery service that helps users maintain better personal health, and they use top quality ingredients and everything, and they're just so sick. I'll show you guys more about them in a second. Super excited for today's video. I'm just going to show you guys the room setup, talk a little bit about like my dorm layout, I guess, and like my roommate situation. I'm not going to show you guys my roommate's sides just because I feel like, I don't know, it's like their personal space and I don't want to like put it on the internet. But actually Grace said I could show her side as long as I'm not mean about it and talk shit about her. So I'll show you guys her wall because it's really cute. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys my dorm room. I'm a freshman at Northeastern University. I am studying marketing and finance and I live in a triple. Not going to mention my dorm hall because I'm not trying to get murdered, but let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so starting off in my little filming corner, which is where I just was, I have my ring light, tripod, and my camera, and then I'm just gonna go over to the left and do a little overview before I go in depth about everything. So my bed is lofted up pretty high so I can fit my drawers underneath. Let me know if I don't mention where something is from because I'll just link it down below and put it in the description. But yeah, my blanket is from Amazon. Mostly, almost everything is from Amazon, by the way. I ordered it on Amazon Prime and then shipped it to the school directly so that I wouldn't have to pack it in California and then like take it with me. It's super cold at night, so I have that, and then I have my comforter. This is also from Amazon. This is like a 10-foot charger because the outlet is all the way like down there, so I just have a really long cable so I can charge my phone at night. And right now it's charging my AirPods and I have a little Glossier sticker on it. These photos are prints that I have. A lot of them are just pictures of my friends or my family, and some of them are like film photos I took, so I really like the way it looks and it's just like nice to have it next to me so I can like see. The shelf that I have is from Urban Outfitters. It's like a wooden shelf, and then I have, oh my god, let me just get on my bed so I can show you guys. Okay, so we are up close. These are also from Amazon. They hold I think 15 pounds each, which is really nice, and they stick to the wall because you're not allowed to like drill holes or anything. This is a plant that I bought here in Boston. These are dragon fingers. I have watered her once since I got her like 3 months ago. And then the second shelf, I have this thing from Urban Outfitters. It's like one of those like Polaroid displays. I don't know, I think it's cute. And then I have my Instax printer. This is a candle from Urban Outfitters. I just like the packaging. I am that bitch that buys candles and doesn't burn them. But this one's Coconut Grove. It's a soy candle. These are succulents I bought at a marketing club fundraiser. This is the Polaroid Pool Cam Instax. I don't have film for this, so right now it's just on display. I have these two things that I like to use before bed. I have the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, and then I have eye drops because I have like chronically dry eyes. And then this is my Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. I have it in the maple flavor, and I put this on every night because my lips get really dry. Anyways, moving on to here, these prints, this is like a ramen bowl print that looks like the ocean. And then this one is like the fancy Obama one. These ones are from Redbubble, I believe. I will link it down below. This corkboard came with my room and I just don't want it here because I don't like putting holes in my prints and in my photos and in like anything, so I just have it empty because I don't want to use it. But then yeah, these are from Urban Outfitters, both of these. I really like the way this looked. I thought it was so dope. And then also, if you guys are wondering, these are like fairy lights that are in a row and they all go down. I think they look so pretty at night. We like to just keep them on. They're from Amazon. They were like $15. Best purchase of my life, and I will link them down below. Okay, so super quickly moving down below my bed, I have the dressers that came with the room, obviously. So I have another one that I got on Amazon. This one is all my sweaters and hoodies. Anyway, moving on to my closet and then the edge of my bed. So on the edge of my bed, I have my two coats. This is the IMG Pixie coat. I always wear this and you guys always ask me where I get it, so I'll link it down below, but this is literally my favorite coat ever. But then underneath it, I have the Aritzia Super Puff coat. This is the bright red color and it's down, and this is probably like my warmest jacket right now. So moving on to the left, this is my closet and then Grace's closet is right here. So I'm just gonna go through everything super quickly. So originally the closet just came with like this bar, and then Grace found this thing on Amazon that's basically like a closet extender. So it's like this silver hook, and then It's basically just like another bar for your closet, so it's super nice and it like just adds a lot of additional space. I'll link it down below. I think it was only like $10, but basically on the top I have all my dresses and tops. I have a few dresses for like formals or whatever, and then I have some like dress shirts that I need to wear because business school's annoying, and then I have my blazer, my leather jacket, and these are like denim jackets, going out jacket, and then like my rain jacket. So yeah, I really like jackets. And then on the left I have my bag. So I have my Givenchy backpack. This is the fanny pack from Yes Style, and then this is my like fancy mini bag if I'm going out somewhere. And then this is my shower caddy. So this black thing is from Amazon. It's honestly like okay, like it doesn't break or anything, but it's so shapeless. And then on the bottom I have my jeans and my pants. So as you can see, everyone who comes into my room like looks at my closet and they're like, why do you literally have like, I literally have 3 pairs of jeans. Like, I'm not joking. And then below that I have my shoe rack, which I also got off of Amazon. So majority of them are sneakers. And then I have my Docs. Those are my thigh high boots. These are my favorite like black heeled booties. And then my sneakers and my slides. Okay, then moving on over to here. This is my desk. So our room, if you can tell, is really, it's a really weird layout. It's basically really long. Here is a quick overview. This is like where I study and stuff. Actually, I go to the library a lot more because I don't feel productive here. So starting at the top, this is my wall, like the wire rack that I have from home. I just brought it over. And then on it, I have my Silk and Honey dollar. This is like a card from a jury. This is a photo of my friends and I in my dorm when we put on face masks. That's my mom. And then this is the first event that Charlie and I went to last November. She's my manager. And then these are all my sunnies. This is my press pass from the New York Coffee Festival that I went to with Jessica and Soy. I just keep it there because I think it's cute. Next over here I have my Instax wide camera. This is the one that printed out this one, so I really like how it's like a wide format. And then over here I have my little Care of corner. So this is the Care of dispenser. It's super cute and it just like look how beautiful it is. It just sits on my desk perfectly. You can just grab one every single day, and then on it they all have like a little challenge or a quote or like a daily fact, which I think is really nice. So today is take a picture of the sunset and send it to a friend. That's so cute. Alright, so I wanted to talk a little bit more about Care of. I really like the idea behind their brand and like the personalization and customization that you get with it. So they deliver personalized daily vitamins to you, and the way they do this is through a 5-minute quiz that you take on the website. It's a really cute quiz and asks you like how you're feeling and how your body is, and if you're like experiencing any like deficiencies anywhere. And so they take that information and then they will recommend the best supplements for your body. It's basically like talking to a nutritionist or like a specialist, and they will just tell you what you need and like how you can just get your body to feel better. I really like the simplicity of just like a daily pack. Like the dispenser just sits on my desk, and every morning when I'm getting ready I usually just reach for one and take my vitamins then and there. But I have never taken vitamins before, just because like the only vitamin I took was like a gummy like kids vitamin. I was really excited when they reached out to me because it's been a few months of college and I've just been feeling so like worn out recently. I don't know what it is, but I was just feeling super tired and like not energetic. I was drinking like 3 or 4 cups of black coffee a day. So yeah, the vitamins I'm taking are magnesium, rhodiola, fish oil, and then the 3 supplements that I have, which okay, these I will talk about in a little bit. They're so cool. I have Pocket Protector, Dream Team, and Energy. So this is what these ones look like. But for my vitamins, I just have been feeling like really tired and like groggy and like burnt out recently. Just because I'm just not used to like the pace of college, I think, after taking my gap year. And it's just like exam after exam, paper after paper, and just like being with people non-stop. It literally made me feel really tired and just like groggy. But taking these vitamins has helped me feel a lot better and just like more energetic. But yeah, it's super easy to take these. I usually just take them in the morning along with my birth control when I'm doing my makeup, because it's like right above my desk and I always see it. And I always think it's really cute that they have the quote and like the challenge on it, because then I can just like a random like daily fact of the day. I love that. And then I also want to talk about the little pocket protectors really fast. I always take these like in the middle of class, like the energy one, and people are like, what are you taking? But these ones are like little It honestly tastes like pixie sticks. They taste so good. You just pour it into your mouth. There's no water needed, and it's just like sugar crystals. But this one has caffeine in it, and I just take it in the middle class. People are like, what is that? But I think these are so cool, and they taste really, really good. I think my favorite one is Dream Team. This one's melatonin, and this one tastes like, I think, blueberries or like blue raspberries. Anyways, if you guys are interested in trying out Care Up, you guys can get 25% off your first month. I'll link my code on screen and in the description down below. But yeah, I think it's a great way to just try to work vitamins into your daily routine if you haven't already. They're made with the best ingredients. You can read all about it on their website, and they're just so transparent with everything, which I think is amazing. So yeah. All right, and we're back. What's up? What's good? So next I have my books here. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't opened a single one of these since I've gone to college. I like finished reading these before at home. I plan on rereading them, but it didn't happen. And then over here I have my 5 like clear acrylic drawers that I brought from home. I literally just taped this shut, like I wrapped tape around it, and then I brought the entire thing with all the makeup still in it. On top I have my perfume. This is my Chance by Chanel. This is my favorite scent ever. And then I have Benetint. I have my Hourglass, like my Hourglass palette that I love, and then this is the Marc Jacobs coconut bronzer, and then this is my new Daniel Wellington watch. I think it's so cute. I had the white leather strap, but I had like a white interface with it, and now I have a black one, and I think it looks like the contrast looks really dope. So I'm not gonna go through these because I'm pretty sure you guys have seen these before in my like room tour from back at home. Anyways, over here I have my palettes. I brought most of them from home because I just like to have options when I'm doing like colorful eye looks. And then over here I have my humidifier. I just got this recently off of Amazon because in Boston the like air is so cold and dry and harsh that my face was actually peeling, which was so weird because I have really oily skin. So I was like, what's happening? But this has helped a lot, so I really recommend getting one. Okay, I'm gonna sit down because I'm tired. So this is my desk, and it's where I get ready. So I have a lot of makeup again. This brush holder is from Etsy. It's actually a lip gloss holder, and then I have all my brushes here, my beauty blender, and my beauty blender holder. Happy right now. And then I have this little thing from Urban, and it holds my rollerball perfumes, and then my Fix Plus, my all-nighter setting spray, and my makeup remover. I have my Swell water bottle. I take this with me everywhere. This is my toothbrush. This little mirror is from Impressions Vanity, and it lights up, which is super dope, so I can actually see myself when I'm doing my makeup because this room has really bad lighting if you couldn't tell. Everything's like super yellow. Over here I have my 4 like most commonly used palettes. So I have the Soft Glam Tartelette Toast It. Ooh, okay. And then these are 2 ColourPop palettes. This one is Give It To Me Straight, and then that one is Yes Please. And then this is my acrylic organizer that I also brought from home. I just brought them because like I didn't want to buy new ones. I would need one of the same size to hold all my makeup, so it's just because I get sent PR and I make makeup videos, which is why I have a lot of it, and I do give a lot away to my roommates, to my floor mates, to my friends, so please don't yell at me. I just have more makeup here, and then I have my hauls because I'm always sick and my throat always hurts. I just have like, this is basically bronzers, blushes, and highlights, and then these are all primers back there. My 2 Pat McGrath eyeshadow palettes that I just got on sale, and then this is my little Glossier container. These are for removing makeup, and then lip colors. And then these drawers are all super messy, so I'm not gonna go too much in depth, but it's just a mess of like school supplies, lenses, makeup remover, vitamins. It's like really random. And then this one is my nail polish and my contacts, and also a lot of film, I guess, because I need to get these developed. And then I have some makeup backups back there. And then this is my medicine cabinet. So I have like Mucinex, Dayquil, Advil, basically every medicine ever. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys these 2 notes. So this one's from my mom when she sent me a care package at the beginning of the year, and then this one's from Grace, my roommate. Okay, so oh yeah, I forgot to mention, this light is from Amazon, and it's literally my favorite thing ever. It's a clip-on light, And then when I do my makeup, because the lighting's so bad, I usually just turn it towards me and then I can like actually see my face in the mirror. Okay, and then this is the last section. This is just like my rolling cart. So I got this off of World Market and it's like this vintagey white rusted type of material. It holds all of my toiletries and skincare, hair care, body products. Alright you guys, so that completes my dorm room tour. But yeah, if I forgot to mention where something's from, just comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Also, I want to say, if you guys are like a prospective student for Northeastern, this this is not one of the main dorms. It's like one of the smaller, older ones, so you most likely won't live here. The other ones are a lot newer and nicer. I live in a triple, and it's just like a weirdly long room. Like, it's like a hallway basically. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a like, and also subscribe and follow me on Instagram if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!